What is going on, Cinetheses? I am Andrew Flash Gordon, and I am joined by my co-host, Vivian. And we are here to react to part 3 of Hum Apke Hain Kun. I had a good teacher. I had a good teacher. Well, with the Vivian seal of approval, we shall get right into this. By the way, parts 1 and 2 of Hum Apke Hain Kun already up on the channel. Go check it out if you have not already. And without further ado, part 3 commence.
खूब मन लगा कर काम करना। हम तो तुम्हारी फैक्ट्री के उद्घाटन पर रहेंगे नहीं।
क्यों अंकल? आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
वापस अपने घर जाएंगे। शाम की ट्रेन की टिकटें आ गई।
Today.
Well, while you're here, can I ask you a question?
Just real quick.
प्रेम, ये मैं क्या सुन रहा हूँ? प्रोफेसर साहब जा रहे हैं? हाँ, और वो भी आज ही।
How could he?
वैसे इतने दिन साथ रहे, बहुत मजा आया।
That's such an adorable room.
It really is.
हाँ। ले लल्लू कैंसिल करवा दे। कैंसिल? अरे आप भी कमाल करते हैं प्रोफेसर साहब। कल आपका दामाद है और आज आप जाने की बात कर रहे हैं।
एक मिनट। एक शर्त पर रुकेंगे।
क्या अंकल?
आज रात कोई सोएगा नहीं।
Yes, uncle.
जमेगी।
Da-na-na-na.
बड़ा आसान सा गेम है। वहाँ पर भोला जी म्यूजिक बजाएंगे। ये तक कि हम लोग यहाँ पर पास करेंगे। जब भी म्यूजिक रुकेगा, ये
it's
तक
like
कि
musical
किसी भी हाथ में
chairs.
होगा, वो फंसेगा।
Could also play Duck Duck Goose.
Yes, I love that game. Hello. You're being so obvious. Not Lalu.
Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14 November 1889. He was our first Prime Minister. He loved children very much. Children used to say, Chacha Nehru Jindabad, Jai Hind.
Ah, Lalu. Oh, Dad's turn.
अरे जब आउट हुए हैं तो जरा ढंग से आउट होना भाई। Thank you for chair.
Oh.
फिल्म शोले, धर्मेंद्र, शराबी सीन। मासी जी, कहाँ वालों? अगर मेरा लगन नहीं हुआ तो फिर
He's so good.
मौसी भी तैयार और मेरी बसंती भी तैयार। इसलिए कैंसर।
Will it be him?
They should just keep the music playing the rest of the film.
Yeah. Oh, I was wrong.
किसी फिल्मी गाने की नकल करवा लो। नकल क्यों? कुछ ओरिजिनल करके दिखाए।
Whoa.
Have her sing Kucha Kucha Hote Hey. Oh, wait, that hasn't come out yet. Never mind.
Whoops.
What?
Oh.
She is professing her love.
Oh. Oh no, it's time.
Maybe they didn't get the message.
Oh. Say something already.
Say something.
Oh,
Yeah.
they're right there.
ये मन भी कितना बावरा है। जितना पाता है, उससे ज्यादा पाने की इच्छा रखता है।
Is this gonna happen? Maybe?
एक दिन तो हमने आप सबको रोक लिया। अब जी चाहता है एक दिन और रोक लें।
Maybe for an engagement.
Why don't you hold Nisha back all forever?
निशा के साथ एक फोटो तो दिलाइए ताकि याद तो रहे कि इतने दिन हमारे साथ कितने प्यार से रही।
You could have her forever.
प्रेम, चल कैमरा ला।
Wow, that is an old camera.
Bittersweet.
कल मुझे क्यों रोका?
I was too fast. I couldn't read
तो
that.
बात करनी थी।
Why did you hold me back
जैसे
yesterday?
फैक्ट्री का उद्घाटन हो जाए,
Thank you, Vivi.
मैं भाभी से अपनी शादी की बात करूँगा।
Oh, he wants to be settled first.
I hope it's not too late.
Okay, it's inaugurated. It's official. Hey!
The way this is presented almost feels like a game show.
Right?
It just happened.
And now, presenting
winner!
your host, Prem.
क्या लिखा है भाजी?
तेरी भौजी की तबीयत खराब है लल्लू।
Oh no.
Oh.
वे अस्पताल में एडमिट है।
Oh no.
तुम्हें फौरन बुलाया है।
लेकिन
Oh.
अरे बहू, ये रुपए कैसे दे रही?
That wasn't on my bingo card.
अरे इन नौकरों को तो मैं खूब अच्छी तरह से जानती हूँ।
ये बीमारी
Stop
तो बहाना है,
it.
बहाना पैसे ऐंठने की स्कीम है।
She's so rotten.
ऐसे तार तो 5-5 रुपए में
Now I
खरीदे
don't mind
जाते
she
हैं।
got the
देख
salt
लेना,
pudding.
ना तो
Yep,
ये रुपए
give her
वापस
more.
आएंगे और ना ये।
Yeah, how dare you?
हम आपकी कसम खाकर कहते हैं, ये तार झूठा नहीं है।
I know.
खरीदा हुआ नहीं है।
Yeah, he's always been loyal. Why would he just
Yeah.
come up with this out of nowhere?
At the worst time too, when he's already worried.
तू मुझे भौजी कहता है ना? कहता है ना?
हाँ।
तो ये ले, रख ले। हमारी फैक्ट्री का काम भी शुरू हो गया है। अब हमारे लिए एक देवरानी ले आइए ना।
Hint, hint, hint.
चलो बहू, आज से इसके लिए दुल्हन चुनने की जिम्मेदारी तुम्हारी। I love you भाभी।
Ah,
But you have to you have to talk to her and tell her who you would like.
I love that.
जनाब लव मैरिज पसंद करेंगे या अरेंज्ड मैरिज?
भाभी लव मैरिज जो आपको अरेंज करानी है।
क्या?
भाभी I love you।
आपके चाचा आपके पापा से 2 कदम आगे निकले। चुपके चुपके आपके लिए चाची भी ढूंढ ली।
चाची मुन्ने को भी पसंद है। मुन्ने ने फोटो देख रखी है।
Eyes on the road. Eyes on the road.
फोटो क्या भाभी, आपको तो शक्ल दिखा देते हैं।
तो क्या आपकी प्यार की
Oh
मंजिल
no,
रास्ते
are
में
they
है?
not gonna approve?
रास्ते में भाभी, on the way, yeah।
There she is.
हमारी मंजिल तो आ गई जनाब। आपकी मंजिल कहाँ है?
भाभी, हम दोनों की मंजिल एक है।
निशा? मम्मी पापा
बाहर गए हैं, शाम तक नहीं लौटेंगे। आप नाश्ता कीजिए, निशा।
अपने भैया को ऑफिस फोन लगा। उन्हें भी तो ये खुशखबरी दे दूं?
आहा, आपके पैर कहाँ है भाभी?
चल चल फोन कर।
हेलो भैया हैं?
जी नहीं, वो किसी जरूरी काम से बाहर गए।
Oh.
Oh
बाहर
no.
गए?
मैसेज छोड़।
उनसे कहिए कि आते ही भाभी को फोन करें यहाँ।
जी जरूर।
I hope nothing happened.
मेरे सामने ये हार निशा को पहना है।
अरे भाभी कैसे पहनाऊं? आपकी बहन तो शर्म के मारे नीचे नहीं आ रही।
Go find her.
अगर वो नीचे नहीं आ रही है तो चल हम उसके पास चलते हैं। लड़के वाले हैं, बारात लेके जाएंगे।
So sweet. Come sit. We got necklaces to give you. It's official. Is that Rajesh?
उन्हीं का फोन होगा।
Brother,
ले निशा, मुन्ने को संभाल।
what do you think the news is, Vivian? You're usually good at predictions.
Well, she's gonna. Oh, don't fall. Don't fall. No!
Oh no.
Don't tell me she's. Why?
डॉक्टर साहब,
Is she okay?
ये कुछ कह रही है।
Oh? No! No way. She's just sleeping. She's just sleeping, right? Oh, stop! What?
Oh my God.
क्या बात है डॉक्टर साहब?
आई एम सॉरी।
What?
Oh.
अरे भैया जी, रुको 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 रुको।
Oh no. He doesn't know.
सभी डॉक्टर ने जवाब दे दिया था, कह दिया था कि हमारी भाऊजी कभी ठीक नहीं होगी। लेकिन हमें विश्वास था, उन्हें कुछ नहीं हो सकता। पूजा भाऊजी ने उनके लिए प्रार्थना की थी ना भैया जी।
But who prayed for Pooja?
ये क्या हो गया बड़े भैया? क्या हो गया बड़े भैया? अब क्या होगा बुल्ले राजा का? बड़े भैया, अब क्या होगा मुन्ने राजा का? बड़े भैया बोलिए ना, क्या होगा मुन्ने राजा का? बोलिए ना भैया जी।
पूजा के जाने के बाद जब हमें उसकी कमी इतनी महसूस हो रही है तो जरा सोचो, बेचारे राजेश पे क्या बीत रही होगी।
Yeah. Oh, I must be so lost.
राजेश की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है प्रोफेसर साहब।
Yeah, I would think
वो खुद
so.
भले ही कुछ ना कहे, लेकिन इतने दिनों से उसकी हालत तो हम लोग देख ही रहे हैं।
Heartbreak is a real thing.
It really is. Can kill you.
भाई मियाँ,
Oh no.
हमें राजेश का
Not
घर कैसे
Tanisha.
बसाना
Do you think that's the suggestion they're gonna make?
No.
चाहिए? मामा जी, एक बच्चे के लिए माँ का साया बहुत जरूरी होता है।
I would
भाई
hope he
मियाँ,
would
बहुत
speak
जरूरी
up.
होता है। मैं तो कहता हूँ मौका देखकर राजेश से ये बात कर लेनी चाहिए।
Not at this time.
बिल्कुल ठीक कहा डॉक्टर साहब ने, बिल्कुल ठीक कहा।
Why is she in such a happy?
तुझे अपने मुन्ने के
Because
भविष्य
she's
के लिए
wanted him to
परेशान
marry
होने की
that
बिल्कुल
girl
जरूरत
that
नहीं।
whole time.
मेरी बात मान, तू फिर से ब्याह कर ले।
What a a-hole.
राजेश बेटा,
Ugh.
मैंने स्वीटी से बात भी कर ली है।
She has
बस
no
उसकी एक ही शर्त
filter.
है, मुन्ने को आया संभालेगी।
A maid?
हम आपके सामने हाथ जोड़ते हैं, लेकिन भाऊजी की इस निशानी को ऐसे औरत के हाथ में
Nisha.
Nisha.
माँ शब्द का अर्थ भी न मालूम
It's
हो।
it's her nephew.
आजकल कौन सी लड़की सौतेली माँ बनना पसंद करेगी? कौन से माँ बाप ऐसे
निशा।
हालात में अपनी बेटी राजेश को देंगे? माफ कीजिए, मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ भाई साहब, आप अपनी निशा की शादी कर
No.
देंगे राजेश से?
No. Stop it.
मैं कहती हूँ कि स्वीटी ने जो शर्त रखी है उसमें हर्जी क्या है? अरे एक को लेकर इतना बड़ा बना रखा है।
We don't want another you in the house.
बच्चे तो पल जाते हैं।
Oh.
Oh, hell no.
शायद तुम्हारे इसी स्वभाव की वजह से भागवंती आज तक हम बेऔलाद रहे।
Ooh.
Whoa, you cutting real deep. That's not okay. She's a B, but don't do that.
Yeah, no, I agree. She was completely out of line, but don't fit.
And then like verbally.
हर सौतेली माँ बुरी थोड़ी ही होती है राजेश।
भैया
ना प्रेम, मैं दोबारा शादी नहीं करूंगा।
No. Let me get married. And then she'll live here.
इसकी बात भी सही है। किसी अनजान लड़की को बिना देखे भाले कैसे सौंप दे अपने जिगर का टुकड़ा?
Please speak up, Prim.
उसके लिए माँ ऐसी आएगी राजेश जो उसकी अपनी हो। पूजा की जगह निशा इस घर में आ
No.
जाए तो
No.
निशा से ब्याह कर लो राजेश।
Oh.
इस हालात में अगर कोई
Why
माफी
can't
नहीं
Prim be
सकता है।
like, I'll marry her?
तुम क्या कहते हो?
Please, Prim.
मान जाओ भैया।
मुन्ने को माँ मिल जाएगी राजेश।
I.
पहले निशा से पूछिए।
Oh.
Wrong proposal.
मैंने तो यही ठीक समझा और कैलाश नाथ से निशा के रिश्ते की बात कर ली। निशा उस घर में बहू बनकर चली जाए और पूजा के उस घर को फिर से हरा भरा कर।
And she's gonna accept because she doesn't know.
पूजा के से हमारी तरफ से उसकी विदाई में कोई कमी नहीं रहनी चाहिए।
Of course, she's not gonna say anything.
तेरी क्या मर्जी है बेटी, जैसा आप ठीक समझो।
Jeez.
Oh my God.
निशा ने हाँ कर दी है।
Oh my
हाँ, मैं
God.
आज ही पंडित जी को बुलाकर
We knew this was coming. It was too good to be true.
Yeah, we said there's got to be some kind of conflict.
कैलाश नाथ आओ बेटा आओ।
Maybe Prim
तैयारी
ends up
अच्छी
with
हो गई।
Rita. I don't know.
I can't.
कहाँ है मुन्ना?
ऊपर है निशा के कमरे में। जा बेटा, मुन्ना को लेके आ।
अभी लाई।
Oh, I'm curious of Nisha's reaction when she finds out what's going on.
Yep.
हमारे हाथ में क्या है? इनकी शादी का कार्ड।
Oh no.
जरा पढ़ के तो सुनाइए।
Oh, this is how she's finding out.
ईश्वर की असीम कृपा
I
से
thought it would be
हमारी
like in her hand
आयुष्मती
when
निशा
they
का
mend
शुभ विवाह चिरंजीव राजेश के साथ तय हुआ है। आप सब सपरिवार पधार।
क्या पढ़ रही है? ठीक से पढ़।
ठीक से तो पढ़ रही हूँ।
ला मुझे दे।
क्या हुआ?
तूने राजेश के साथ शादी के लिए हाँ कहकर हम पर बड़ा ही उपकार किया बेटी।
She's like, oh no.
तूने दो जिंदगियों को नया जीवन दिया।
Of course, now she's not gonna say anything because it's for the baby. Because she's gonna see he's happier. Oh. Because she loves her nephew.
But what about what she wants?
No, she's gonna off because she loves her sister.
Yeah.
Ah.
And then also too, Salman Khan, he's sacrificing his happiness because he loves his brother, and he loved Pooja.
Terrible.
लेकिन डॉक्टर साहब ये अचानक
शादी ब्याह का मामला है, थकावट की वजह से चक्कर आ गया होगा।
I mean, her sister just.
मैं निशा से एक बार मिलना चाह रहा था।
आना।
नहीं अभी नहीं, अभी मैं डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहता। आप ये चिट्ठी उसे दे दीजिएगा।
Oh God.
सब इस फैसले से बहुत खुश हैं, लेकिन मैं जानता हूँ कि हर लड़की के कुछ अपने सपने, अपने अरमान होते हैं।
Mine was your brother.
अगर तुम्हारे दिल में जरा सी भी बात हो,
Please say something.
तुम्हारी खुशी से बढ़कर और कोई शय नहीं।
I do love how honorable
Yeah.
he is, and to her sensitivities as well. But
I
come
agree.
on,
Please.
she's calling him.
Cough.
Hello.
That's our version of blink twice if you need help. Oh, he knows. I thought it was you. Oh.
Maybe he's gonna end up with Rita. I don't know. Wow, he's taking it like a man and
really
happy
is.
for his brother. I pray that Nisha and Prem end up together. Is that what
Next lifetime, maybe?
हमें तो प्रेम भाई ने अपनी कसम देकर बांध दिया है, मजबूर कर दिया है।
Ooh.
लेकिन आप तो मजबूर नहीं है ना?
I'm hoping for a happy ending, Andrew. Is that too much?
I don't think you're asking for too much.
ऐसा चमत्कार करिए कि संसार में लोगों का आपके प्रति विश्वास
Prayers have worked so far in this movie, so
भगवान
Hare Krishna, let's do something. Oh,
Whoa.
he heard. He's heard the prayers.
Toff. Oh, I love how it's being reflected to Toffee.
Tuffy sees the magic. Damn those stairs. Wow, look how beautiful she is. It's gonna be okay.
Tuffy, Tuffy, Tuffy. Tuffy, Tuffy, Tuffy is so fluffy, fluffy, fluffy.
He's gonna pick the necklace that he gave her.
Oh, the one for the engagement?
Yeah.
Oh.
Good boy, Tuffy.
It's a sign.
Good boy, Tuffy.
It's a sign.
Lord Krishna told me to give you this.
Who called it earlier? Tuffy for MVP. I told you.
This coach right here.
He was gonna play such a pivotal role.
हमारे प्यार के बंधन को जीजी ने इस हार से सजाया था। चाहा था कि हार उनकी देवरानी पहने। इसे लौटा रही।
Okay, never mind.
Wrong move. Or maybe Tuffy will bring it to Rajesh on accident, and then we'll be like, oh, they love each other. I can't do this.
टफी, मेरा एक काम कर दो। इसे प्रेम को दे दो।
This might be the smartest dog ever.
Ever. Nope.
Oh, he's giving it to Rajesh. You're right. You are 100% right.
There we go.
You called that.
Give it to Rajesh.
And now he's going to read the note.
Yep. What's this?
Tuffy?
Good
Oh,
boy.
boy. Oh, boy.
Good boy.
हमारे प्यार के बंधन को जीजी ने इस हार से सजाया था। चाहा था कि हार उनकी देवरानी पहने। इसे लौटा रही हूँ।
Dun, dun, dun. We're doing a switcheroo.
Thank you, movie. Thank you.
ये क्या है निशा?
Tuffy, you had one job.
देखा पूजा? ये तुम क्या करने चले थे?
अचानक यहाँ ऊपर कैसे चले आए?
ये पढ़िए काका और बताइए
Oh,
कि ये कहाँ का न्याय है?
oh, don't put it like that.
ये आपका लाडला जो हर छोटी सी छोटी बात मुझसे पूछा करता था, आज इतनी बड़ी बात अपने दिल में छुपा के।
That was such a sacrifice he was about to make, like the biggest one ever.
It really was.
अगर तुम मुन्ने को उसकी चाची बनकर अपनाती, तो क्या तुम्हारी ममता कम हो जाती?
तुम इन पर नाज होना चाहिए।
Yeah, it was a beautiful thing.
इन्होंने जो कुछ भी किया, अपना फर्ज समझ के किया बेटा।
अब मुझे भी एक फर्ज पूरा करना है मामा जी।
Yay.
पूजा का अधूरा सपना मैं ही नहीं समझ पाया।
I miss Pooja so much.
Yeah.
कि तू मुझे क्या कहना चाह रही थी? समय।
Yeah, you remember she pointed at them.
Get them married.
मेरी आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है। निशा का हाथ प्रेम को सौंपिए।
It's like I'm so confused.
धन्य हो गया मैं ऐसे दामाद पाकर। धन्य हो गया।
Yay. Oh, they had us for a second. Ah.
That looks fun, but it'll also make me nauseous.
I'm so happy for them.
Well, I adored this film. It was beautiful. I like a lot of the themes in it about honor and duty and just
love.
And well, of course, love as well. And you know how much family means. Really weren't any characters I didn't like. I know that the aunt was not the greatest character.
But she came around, I guess.
Yeah, for sure. But I guess sometimes you have that one family member like that is grounded in reality. You know, sometimes that does happen. But yeah, it was interesting going through the film. We're like, when's that moment gonna happen? I mean, again,
if too happy.
Yeah, if we have the whole happiness happen, like great. But I really did like throughout the film how close they were, and also too like. There were just so many characters that you just resonate with and that you gravitate towards. Like Pooja, for instance, I just love how, I mean, like, obviously when that happens, like you're so impacted by the moment because you're so invested in her. Just the way she treats everyone. She doesn't treat, like, whether it's a servant or whether it's a family member, she treats everyone as a family member. And I appreciate like that, her warmth, her compassion, her empathy. I really love characters like that. Also, like Nisha, I love her vibrance, her zest for adventure, and her passion. And then Prem too, same thing with him. Like they were so opposite, but they were also so similar as well. And Rajesh, he's a very, again, he wasn't in the film a lot at the beginning, and then he got a lot more screen time. I was like, wow, I'm really like, he's just a very also compassionate character, but a very nice human being as well. And I'm glad to see that. I was really worried, like with a guy of his status and power. Again, I don't know if it's their uncle or their father. You guys let me know in the comments, whichever it was. Like, I like seeing here too the mentorship and parent, like that helps shape us over life. And I'm glad like the lessons he taught them and the compassion that he taught them, like really, you know, shape them into the kind, wonderful souls that they are. I got a lot more to say. I want to hear some of Vivian's thoughts, though.
For me, this was just a really great film capturing culturally the essence of family, I think, and how love just really shapes everyone and it affects everyone. It just ripples out so much, and no matter what naysayer or what conflict might come up, it just kind of really supports and continues to like ripple on. So I really appreciated that we got so many layers of that, and we saw that the two families raise these kids with so much love, and that just like continues. Like that really made me really happy. And then I like that the love between Prem and Nisha was a slow burn, and it wasn't just like oh, you're beautiful, I'm in love.
I agree.
They really were well-intentioned from the get-go, and they got to really respect each other and like love each other the slow and sweet way. So that was really fun to watch. Of course, Salman.
No, he's great.
Amazing.
I love seeing again.
So well paired with Midori.
I love seeing the evolution of him as an actor as well in some of his older stuff to you know what he has evolved into now. It's fascinating to watch because he's been acting
forever
for a long time.
Speaking of Anupam Kher's and everything, and he has not changed one bit. He's just like forever the father, like loving husband, like extraordinaire. He just delivers every time. His little like scene with where he was drunk and like playing along when he lost in the game was so good.
Yeah. No, he's got the Paul Rudd fountain of youth. He does not age. 30 years ago, he still looks
does not matter.
Still looks the same. But yeah, no, you made a good point with when it comes to Prem and Nisha, and I know there were times where like, speak up, say something.
Duty.
But yeah, no, for sure. I do like that they really took their time. They did not. It never felt rushed when it came to their love, and I do like the playfulness and the fun of their relationship too.
But the pranking.
Yeah, of course. No, that was fun. Like I think like that really helped us get more invested in the relationship rather than, oh, you're beautiful, you're handsome, all right, let's fall in love, we're good. Or just arranged marriage and we're into it right away. So I'm glad we got to spend a lot of time with them so that we like were on board with this relationship, and their chemistry and their interactions were so organic and so seamless that, you know, it was really good. And I loved a lot of these songs too. I love watching older films when you get to see like the different styles. And there was synthetic music. It was really great. But yeah, and oh, sorry, go ahead.
I love too that they didn't, I thought Rita was going to come into play and there was going to be some jealousy or some dirty, you know, whatever. I'm glad that didn't come up.
Yeah,
that made it really wholesome and enjoyable to have that not happen.
I do too. And maybe I'm reading too much into this. I think it deals with the theme of the film. Like when you love someone, you will let them be happy kind of thing. Maybe that's what she was doing, because it didn't seem like she was aggressively pursuing him when she saw he had no interest in her and he was interested in Nisha.
She then accepted Nisha as one of her girls.
And while it was really obviously devastating with what happened to Pooja, like the fact that both Nisha and Prem were going to sacrifice their love and their happiness to make sure
the baby
to sacrifice for Pooja and also to sacrifice for Rajesh. and for the baby, like that says a lot about their character, and what they do for family, and like what we just should do in general for our families. And obviously, that doesn't mean you should sacrifice your happiness and your love for someone. Of course not. I'm not saying yeah, of course. But I think it just speaks to just having character to do whatever it takes for family, you know, within reason, as Vivian just said. And I think that again just speaks to these two wonderful characters. And also same for Rajesh, like when he found that, or not found, when Tuffy brought him the note, I think like that spoke a lot about his character for him to go, hey, I want you two to be happy as well. And this is also Pooja's last wish as well. So like I said, Tuffy for MVP.
Yes. Amazing.
Yeah. And then what was his name? Lalu.
Lakshmikant.
Yeah, he was he did incredible. I mean,
so much heart.
That's why I think this film was so good too, because all the supporting actors, they were all integral to the plot, and just the characters in general were just so integral. Just like I was invested in everyone for the most part.
You really felt their relationship and how long they've spent with each other, and how much they loved each other. And
so very good
amazing.
film. Yeah, I really enjoyed it.
I didn't feel long at all.
No, I didn't really feel the runtime.
The only part that felt long was when it was starting to feel too good for too long. I'm like, this.
Like you're like, when is that
something's
conflict
gonna happen?
Because we've seen enough movies to know there's gonna have to be a conflict. You can't just have a movie with zero issues. Like, we know better.
Although I think I saw one movie that was like that, and the shoe never dropped. It was just a feel-good movie, and I was like,
oh, this is nice. No,
it was terrible because the whole time we were like,
when's it gonna happen? Like, nope,
what's gonna happen?
Like,
and it never did. We're like, wait a minute,
okay.
what just happened?
So I guess the second time you watch, you're like, oh, okay, I can just
I can just relax and feel the love.
yeah, for sure. Anyways, what did you guys think of Hum Apke Hain Kun?
Gon, I think.
Gon.
Yeah, Gon.
We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, bell icon, all notifications, and upvote this video. That way you can let us know that you are enjoying what you're watching. Until next time, I'm Andrew Flash Gordon, and this is
Vivian Day.
See you guys later.